In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Outlook desktop shortcut for PC. If you want quick access to Outlook without hunting through menus each time, creating a desktop shortcut is a simple, reliable solution. I'll walk you through the primary method using the Start menu, and then show an alternative if the first one doesn't appear on your system. This works on modern versions of Windows, including Windows 10 and Windows 11. Start by opening the Start menu and using the search bar to look for Outlook. You might see a few similar entries, such as Outlook or Outlook Fay Classic, depending on which version is installed. Select the one you actually use. When you see the Outlook app icon in the search results, right? Click it and choose Open File Location. This opens File Explorer directly to the app's shortcut or executable, so you don't have to browse around. In the File Explorer window that opens, locate the Outlook entry you just revealed. Right. Click it. On Windows 11, you may need to click Show More Options to see the full Classic menu. From there, go to Send To, and then choose Desktop Create Shortcut. Windows will instantly place a shortcut on your desktop that points to Outlook. You can close File Explorer. Go back to the desktop and you'll see the new shortcut ready to use. Double-click it any time to launch Outlook directly. If the Start menu method doesn't appear for you, or the Open File Location option is missing, here is a built-in alternative that reaches the full list of installed apps. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog. In the box that appears, type Shell, Apps folder, and click OK. This opens a special folder that shows all applications installed for your account in one place. Scroll through the list until you find Outlook. Again, you might see Outlook or Outlook Fay Classic. Pick the one you use, right. Click the Outlook icon and select Create Shortcut. Windows will place a shortcut on your desktop so you can launch Outlook with a single double click. This approach is especially handy if the Start menu shortcut doesn't expose the file location. That's it. Thanks for watching.